it's me Giselle, and today I'll be doing a fun video for you guys. I also have some fairy bread here, and I'm wearing some glasses, and we're good to go. So let's get on. So guys, the whole point of this video was to tell you that I'm doing a giveaway for hitting 70 subscribers, which is actually nearly 100, which is a massive deal for me. So basically what I'm going to be giving away is some slime, and the first video is just celebrating and telling you like what I'm going to give away, which is this video, and then the second video is going to be me doing a haul of all the things I got to like give away to you guys. Like I'll make a slime and decorate it like you guys want, and onto that video I'll also be picking a name out of the hat, and that will be the winner. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and turn your post notifications so you never miss a video like this one. So yeah, bye.